I have to admit that in part I'm making this because these are really beautiful and they're lovely to look at, and I thought you might enjoy that. They are edible, so it is a foraging video. They're kind of almost translucent, really shiny, beautiful berries. And they grow in clusters like this, almost like elderberries do, but with fewer berries and bigger. And people often ask me on foraging walks whether they are red currants. I suppose the leaf is similar, reminiscent, also a bit reminiscent of like maple or something. It's got 3 lobes, little extra lobes on each one. This is a small tree or a big shrub, and it's called Guelder rose. In the summer, spring-summer, it has white flowers with bigger petals near the outside and smaller petals on the inside of each spray. Its common English name is cramp bark, and that refers to a traditional medicinal use of the bark collected in spring as an antispasmodic, so people would use it to ease menstrual cramps and things like that as a traditional medicine. These berries are edible. They're not edible raw, they need to be cooked, and in my opinion haven't got the most intense flavour, so I don't tend to bother making it because I'm surrounded by things that have a more exciting flavour, but you absolutely can make a jelly or something out of these. And they are gorgeous to come across these amazing plants just hanging with lush, shiny red berries. Do subscribe and like the YouTube channel and join us on the Facebook group at Broth and Butter. I have a page, Broth and Butter, as well. Just nice to be able to build up the audience, and I'll be sharing more foraging videos until I stop having anything to forage.